Today is my birthday. Thank you so much for the happy birthday wishes. And on top of that, I'm going to give you guys a gift rather than you give me one. Here it is. This position right here, I played against a Grandmaster over the board. I'm playing with the white pieces in the U.S. Masters in Charlotte, North Carolina. And in this position right here, I'm playing with the white pieces, round one. This is what happens. My Grandmaster opponent goes with this move. Queen takes F2. He takes this pawn right here. Now, of course, in this game, this is actually move 17 already, and he's actually already lost on move 17, right? I felt so good here. So it's my birthday. I'm feeling good. So, of course, I had to give you guys a feel-good position that I felt so good about when it happened. So after Queen takes F2, this is a big problem for Black. Well, pause the video if you need to figure out what is the combination here, not just a move, but a combination of moves to figure out what's going on to see if you can find this move right here or the combination. So here we go. This is the move. This is what happens. Now, if you said Queen takes B8, you are wrong. Come on, bro. I'm playing a GM over the board. You think he's gonna just literally sacrifice this rook like this and just give me a rook for free with no consequences? Absolutely not. After taking the rook, the problem is, or of course his idea is going with bishop to F5. Now, he sacrificed a rook here to now threaten checkmate in one with the queen and the bishop and also attack my queen at the same time. I have no real way to actually defend this. If H7 check, he goes bishop takes H7, still attacking my queen, still threatening checkmate at the same time. So I have to do something like queen takes F8, which this is still playable, and I get a lot of material here, but he's still threatening mate, and this is kind of murky. This isn't what I really want to happen in the game. So going back to the position, what we have, there's a pawn here, queen here, rook here, right, bishop F5, go bring the queen back, queen goes here, pawn here, rook on B8. So what happens in the game is he takes on F2. I see his idea because he wants to go bishop F5 with check and mate. Now, of course, lots of times I always tell my students, when you're looking at moves, you should always be calculating checks, captures, and threats. Always be paying attention to these because these are the most important parts of your game. Checks, captures, threats, and you try to do it every single move. That's the hard part about chess, is continuously doing this thing of checks, captures, and threats. But if you can do it or find it, you'll find the move that I played in this game, which is H7 check. And when I play H7 check, I get up and I walk away. Not really, but of course, in a way, you kind of do, because the game is actually already over. H7 check solves all of the problems here, and I'm completely winning. Let's see what happens. If king takes H7, well, now the idea here for me now is to go bishop to D3 check. Bishop D3 is really strong because remember, Black wanted to go bishop F5. So now I can take this rook. No matter what he does, I can end up taking the rook. Okay, he could go bishop F5, but here I'll actually take with check and a double attack, picking up literally everything, taking the bishop, taking the knight next. I'm up decisive material there. So he doesn't want to take it. Now, if he doesn't take it, well, he can go king H8 to the corner. But what was defending the rook on F8? So now if I take the rook here, then he goes bishop to F5. He's threatening checkmate, but the rook's not defended anymore because remember, the king was on G8. So I take queen takes F8 with check, and after king takes H7, now I can choose to defend with something like bishop to D3, and I'm up decisive material loss. So from this position, actually, this is what happened in the real game. I'll actually go back here, and we'll end right around here. The rook here, there was a rook here, and a bishop here, bishop here, everything's good. So I go H7 check. After the H7 check, he ends up going like king H8, and after queen takes, he goes knight E3. And then after knight E3, I actually defend, give a little bit of material back with bishop to D3 because trades are fine with me. Knight takes and rook takes. Queen goes to C5. I go knight E2, and I end up winning the game. Basically, resignation here. He just played a few more moves, but I was already winning here. I found this tactic, and if you were able to find it too as well, hey, awesome job. It must be your birthday too. No, at the same time, I hope you enjoyed this, and let me know what you think in the comments. And I'll see you on the next video.